Cybertruck owners are reporting that their electric pickup trucks have been delivered with trash in the cabin and mud on the bodywork. Empty Red Bull cans have been found in door cubbies, and some trucks have appeared as if they've been taken for a joyride before delivery. As Tesla rushed to get the gargantuan trucks out the door, it reportedly left protective film on windows and bodywork, as well as muddy handprints across its stainless steel body panels. The dirty appearance of the truck isn't a new phenomenon, with many Cybertruck owners reporting that their truck was delivered in a pretty undesirable state. This has seemingly continued to today, but with some variety depending on where you pick your truck from. Some pickups arrive with parts covered in dust and dirt from the factory site, where construction is underway to expand the plant. Clearly this isn't the kind of treatment you'd expect for a truck that now starts close to $100,000 after Tesla cut its entry-level offering.